everyone, welcome to another Megazord review. Today we're going to take a look at the Centaurus Phoenix Megazord from Power Rangers Mystic Force, aka the Majin Kaiser from Mahal Sentai Magic Ranger. Now this is only ever released in the UK, Bandai Asia, and Japan. America never got it. But since I live in the UK, I was able to find one at Argos, so I got really lucky with it, and I got it brand new when Mystic Force was still airing. So take a look at the box first, as you normally do, and you can see it's still kept in very nice condition. It feels like brand new cardboard, so yeah. So you get a picture of the Centaurus Megazord, all the modes, Rider mode, Centaurus mode, Megazord mode. So these are the figures, and it does have correction to it. Each of the shields are correctly coloured, unlike the original Titan Megazord box where they weren't properly coloured, with the alien there. Then you have the modes again, shows you the Mystic Morpher that they released as a prototype on the box, but the toy's just different. Now to move on to the actual toy itself. So we'll start off with aka Korak, and I got the key. The computer, that's not good. So he's pretty decently designed. I mean, he will able any applications like the 5-inch figure by but yeah, it comes with this sword and shield, and this is a rubber plastic, so if you keep it stressed in one position for too long, it will bend. This can fold over and store on the shield. What's particularly special about the shield, it can move. Yeah. So, articulation-wise, it's basically the same as the Red Ranger figure. The arms can go around, yeah, all the way around and get in and out. And no other wrist articulation. Those can go forward and back, in and out, single knee joints, and they can do that for the combinations with the necks. Just basically for core. Now we move on to the bigger, the main portion of the Megazord, Centaurus, aka Vacuum from Magic Ranger. A black horse. This looks pretty nice. I mean, really good for display. I mean, it's really long actually for Megazord standards. Sadly, there isn't any articulation for him at all. Even though on the Japanese version, he's never in a position where he's standing up on his feet, but you can't do that since he's way too heavy and he kind of topples over. And that's basically it. Before I get into the other modes, the only difference I've done between the UK release and the Japan and Bandai Asia release is that the visor here, for Fire Kaiser, is red. The original version was silver, but that's an alteration that was done. Otherwise, it's wonderful and identical. Now to get on to the other modes, not save time and not talk, I'm going to show you the different steps. So first is some, oh, I've got one mode. Brain part. It's just basically where you have two grips on the back, just like the Dragon mode for the Titan Megazord. You just have them sitting down like this. I can actually get to clip on, which appears to be really difficult. There we go. There's basically him riding on Centaurus. Sort of. And you don't really see this in the series, but it can be done. Now for the other modes. Wow. Just wow. Could we see that? Centaurus mode. Very interesting concept. I mean, you never had like a Centaur style thing done before. Well, it's not like I remember from the top of my head. If I do remember something, I'll put in the annotations. You can move the arms now, but you lose the leg articulation, which is a bit of a downer. So this is a display piece, but there's not much else to this. I mean, the spear can be held in two different ways. You can have it like this, like they do in the series, or I can get this out. You can actually have it like up straight, like that. Just to show you guys that you can do it. And there's nothing that much else to it. I'll move on to the Megazord mode. Here we go. The Centaurus Phoenix Megazord in all its glory. I really do like the overall design of it. I mean, you don't really get that many, like, evil mechs. I mean, you have good mechs that turn evil, but just not many evil, Megazords. I can't think of any other ones that were just basically evil. I suppose you can count the Megazord from Down of Thunder, but just not really that much else. I mean, articulation-wise for him, again, it's just the arms that can go all the way around, sorry. These bits can actually move side to side, which is just more bit of good articulation. And it just looks really nice. I mean, the only sad part I find about this is Foresight Smart Ranger is that none of the Zords have any chrome on them whatsoever, or like die-cast parts. It's all just simple ABS plastic. I mean, you have some bits of like soft PVC, but there's not really that much you can do about it. But I do like the overall design. I mean, I definitely think it was a good display piece. I mean, I would highly recommend it to any Power Ranger strike. It was a very good Megazord to actually have. I suppose it's no matter. I might as well show the other combination with the Red Ranger. There was actually no like good version of this release. So basically, when Chloride turned Naughty was like red, but the Megazord formulation was just purple still, but the background was light instead of darkness. So for the Red Ranger combination, you just basically take this out and bring this guy in. So that. Connect it to the back. And there we have the Centaurus Phoenix Megazord, or also known as the Fire Kaiser for Mars Ranger. Now, with the spear holding in one direction, just like that, and yeah. It's just the main chest piece of the Mars Ranger M. And it's got a cool design to him. I mean, there was one second different suit where they just spun his head round with like flaming tail, but you can't really represent it in the toy standing. But yeah, so like I said, I would highly recommend this. Played the right way, I mean, you can just hold like this and you feel no pressure on your hand whatsoever. Pretty useful. But I recommend it. It's a really good toy. If you live in the US, try and you can only get it in the UK version, or the Band Asia, the Hong Kong version. But it will be pricey at this time because many people really like the design of it. If you find it cheap, then I'd definitely say go for it. But well, that's pretty much it for this review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time for whatever I do. So long, take care.